Hello, in this video we are diving into tips and tricks within different AI models. Do you know how to write the best prompt in your life? How to make most of it? How to make most of ChatGPT and another models? In the end of this video you will be a confident user of those models. We will explore 10 main tips and tricks within the prompt ideas that can help you with everything from market research. Get ready to take notes, grab your favorite drink, and we are starting. So here we have SymbiotAI.com. It's a platform which gathering different models, so you can try your chance with not only ChatGPT. We can go to AI chat. We can create a new chart. It can be public chart. For now it's public chart, so you can go and check this chart which I've created before recording this video. So this chart will be saved. I will for sure I will share the link to this chart in the description of each video. So the first trick is to assign roles. Before you type in off your questions or your comment, when you assign a role to the model, you give a personality or persona act like, and that model will respond to you after a question. It will act as a persona you gave it. Let me show you how it works. First of all, to understand what role we can put, we need to figure out what problem we are trying to solve. If you would like to talk about marketing research, if your startup are on that stage, like we are here, we are right now, where marketing research is needed. So I was trying from my first prompt is define roles for marketing specialist. It's not good prompt, but I was trying. So yes, we got some answers, but to be more concise, I changed my prompt. Define roles for making marketing research, because I know the purpose. So we need to also explain the model what we want from it. It's very, very important. And after this prompt, we got very specific answer. So we have research specialist, market analyst, brand manager, product manager, digital marketing specialist, pricing analyst, customer insight analyst, marketing research consultant. And this is what I choose. So right now I understand that marketing research consultant is fit for me right now. So I'm trying to write my prompt from act as a marketing research consultant. And trick number 2, format your outputs. What does it mean? Models can respond to you in code, tables, numbered list, bullet list, comma separated values, third thing, we can generate to-do list. It's third trick that we can generate a to-do list. But let's not move on, and let's try to work with formatting our outputs. So here we have that example. Act as a marketing research consultant. Give me a list of the top 5 books on marketing for entrepreneurs. Show us spreadsheet format, So we choose that format. We can choose a format like PDF. We can choose a format like presentation. I don't know. Everything we can try. And here we have the list of books in spreadsheet. It's something what we was looking for. And trick number 3, we can generate to-do list within our models. And it's the most powerful tool. For example, if you have a paragraph of text and here is some to do in here, and you ask your model create for you to-do list based on that paragraph. But we want to create to-do list based on this book. As we know, that model is remember our context. We're trying to ask him generate to-do list from the marketing management book. You see, we even don't tell what author of this book it should be, but the model is understand. Model understood us, and it proposed for us to do list for marketing management, but Philip Kotler, it's something what we was looking for. So we got define your target market. It's true. Develop a unique value proposition, UVP. Create a marketing mix. Set marketing objectives. Implement your marketing plan, measures, and evaluate your results. Stay agile and adapt, continuously learn and improve. I think it's very fit to our request. And regarding this point, yes, for example, your boss is sending for you a great, not great, sometimes it's not great, it can be really rude, a very big email, yes, and you need to go through it and create a to-do list, but it's super long, and those models will create it for you. Inside of this video, I will show you how to cooperate with these models. How to choose a different model, yeah? How to compare them, for example. So yes, tip number 5 is to prompt follow-up questions. As I mentioned before, yeah, those models can keep on talking with you. They remember in the context. They cannot even be questioned, but also you can use command. You can use command like this. Explain those key points in step by step. Let's go deeper. So we put that command, let's go deeper. Or we can put the command like, explain me second key point, or explain me second key point in one sentence, or translate those key points, etc. So it can be not even questions. So yeah, we have here explanation defining our target market, understand their needs. Yes, yeah. Do you see it? Who are they? Define your ideal customer. Who are they? What is their demographics, age, gender, income, location? What is their psychographics, values, beliefs, interests, etc.? It's very important. I'm not a marketing specialist because yeah, this information for me is super new. So I appreciate that we have those models which are helping us. Yeah. So we need to be also adaptable and staying agile. Tip number 4, you can rename your logs. You can rename your chat, yeah? For example, in SymbiotAI, we have here marketing stuff. We can rename the chat. This all conversation right here on marketing stuff, yeah? I put marketing stuff previously. But if you will talk about ChatGPT, we are writing with ChatGPT, yeah? And we can put the title right here. You can double click on it and change the name. For example, here, create an Airbnb tipping service. Yeah, you can change it. But let's back to SymbiotAI. Tip number 6, explain it to a child. It may sound confusing, but sometimes you even don't know how to explain this, what we got, for example, yeah, or another topic to someone else, and this technique will help you. So you see what I wrote. Act as a marketing researcher, as we learned, but if our model remembers the context, so we cannot even write this. Act as a marketing researcher, explain SWOT analysis for marketing to a child 2-3 years old. It's to very small person. And what we got? And Cloud Instant One wrote, okay, sweetie, I'm going to tell you about something called a SWOT analysis that mommy and daddy might use to plan for their business. A SWOT analysis looks at 4 things: your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Kind of like looking at all sides of something. Your strengths are really good thing about you, like maybe you are really good at playing with toys. Weaknesses are things you need to practice more, like maybe sharing with friends. Opportunities are fun things you could do. You see how it wrote? It wrote in very easy and in a very cute way, because it's child to 3 years. But we can for sure put another age, like 8-year-old. It probably should be more advanced, but it's like if you can explain something to a child with the age of 8 years, so you can explain everything to adult person as well. Tip number 7, be concise within your prompting. Be concise as possible and you will obviously get what you want. It's also very important if you are doing more advanced prompt techniques. Like I put here, yeah, my prompts looks this way. Create a table with popular AI startups project which can be SymbiotAI competitors and have a column for name of that company, their description, differences from others, and why SymbiotAI is better. So yeah, we mentioned that we want the table, it's a format. We didn't mention for sure what role we want this model to take, because we believe that this model is remember the context. We mentioned that what we want, competitors of SymbiotAI, and what columns we want, yeah? Name, this company description, differences from others, and why SymbiotAI is better. And what we've got? We've got the company name, Anthropic. Here we have, for example, yeah, company name, description, differences, and why SymbiotAI is better. SymbiotAI agents can safely solve a wider range of problems through their general intelligence instead of just safety. Applies constitutional AI which is optimized. You see? It's proposed for us. It's something what we want. Focuses, yeah, we have description of all our competitors. We can also put a command, like we learned previously, yeah? We can put a command, for example, add 10 more competitors. It's also will work. We will get on 10 more competitors on our list, on our table. So the next tip number 8, style and tone, is to change the style of your writing, yeah? So the prompt looks like this. Write me a tweet I can use to announce the launch of SymbiotAI that we are combining different models in one place in the style of Darth Vader. And you see, we've got it. Behold, the agents of SymbiotAI. We will train models not just to avoid harm, but to benefit of sentient life. You see? It's pretty nice. And also, don't forget about tags. We are using tags when we are posting something on LinkedIn or on Twitter as well. Tip number 9, you can use different models for quick learning on a new subject, from summarizing article to generating lists, from generating key points to creating presentation, etc. So, for example, I use this prompt. I wrote, for example, I want to improve my English, yes, and I want to ask my cloud instant be today English teacher. So I wrote, act as an English teacher, help me improve my English. I also was trying to mention that my English level is B1 and I want to learn 100 new words on C1 level. And I want to speak on C1 level till next month. So I was trying to check if this model will help me with it or it will tell me that it's not real. And yes, Cloud told that it's not real. Jumping directly to C1 level may be too difficult. It's not real. But you can focus on learning 50-20 new words per week that are the B2 level or slightly above. And I asked him to teach me 10 new words. Simply. And Cloud proposed me 10 new words on B2 C1 level. And it was inevitable, mythology, craftsmanship, notion, dwindle, ingenuity, but those words, notion, analyze, interesting, analyze, it's B2, C1 level. So yes, let's back to our tips. Tip number 10, avoid ambiguous or open-ended questions. Yeah, what does it mean? To get the best response from our models, you need to be specific and unambiguous and make sure to give clear instruction. Because if there is a hint of vague language in our prompt, it can lead to multiple interpretations, making it difficult to our model to provide us with a specific and accurate response. But we want to get what we want. So yeah, we need to be very specific. So we are using, instead of asking what is the meaning of life, for example, yeah, it's better to ask what's the meaning of life. To be precise, can you tell me what is the diet plan one needs to follow to have a healthy lifestyle? So we put here our purpose. Our purpose is to be healthy, yeah, and in the meaning of life, we want to put under it like healthy lifestyle. So, and in this case, our model will understand what we really want from it. And as I mentioned, I will show you how to work with different models. So if you are asking something, act as a marketing specialist, write an article about AI positioning, something like this, and we can choose the model. So here we have a list of available model on this site on SymbiotAI. Right now we have Cohere, Generate, Cloud, Instance, Cloud is the 2.1, no, DALL-E, okay, GPT-4 Turbo. Well, let's try GPT-4 Turbo. And yeah, sorry for that, we have Chat Bison, DALL-E, DALL-E 3, image captioning, okay, it's Palm. Okay, well, we have also some information below. Let's try, ChatGPT Turbo, yeah. So here you can see how to work with those all models. And thank you guys, thank you for staying on my video. In the next video I want to continue playing with different AI models, and we will be trying the best prompts for starting a business or for marketing research or copywriting as well. So here we can see how this SymbiotAI is working, and we got the pretty clear answer from GPT-4 Turbo, yeah. Navigating the future with AI. Smart positioning strategies in the era of artificial intelligence. I think it's good. So let's finish on today. Subscribe my channel and stay on AI side. Thank you.